Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 8th day of May 2026. Just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. And as usual, we're looking for our strong candle indicator. And you may say, well, Fred, look at that strong candle indicator going along. That didn't really go anywhere. Well, there's Fibonacci reasons why that didn't go there, and we'll teach you all of that in the 101 course at Samurai Day Trading. So if it fails going up because of Fibonacci reasons, and we have a double fail here, we get a strong candle going in the opposite direction. That is a stunning signal short, even though it is into the trend. So we look for a little bit of a pullback, stick our rotor on the body of the candle, and we'll go short. Looking at the PVI, expect the next candle to be somewhere between 170 ticks in length. We'll go ahead and use our larger ATM, 20s, 50s, and 100. We'll de-risk the trade after 20s and see if we can catch our runners. So here's how it all went down in the room today. Need us to pop up just a little bit, show me a little bit of green. A little bit more than that. There we go, that's enough. And when it picks us up, we'll speed it up. There we go. Wow, look at that. Stop is right where it's supposed to be. As soon as we get our first target hit, we're going to de-risk this trade. You'll see the stop will come up just above this current candle. Can get a bit of a double retrace. That's never much fun when you're doing it live. Does happen. You just have to trust your plan. Second time through, it should come down and go much better. Boom, first target's out. Stop comes down to a break-even position now. If the market comes back and takes me out at break-even, which I don't think it does this time, I'll have to see if I want to make a second entry. But for right now, we'll just put that down here in case we need it and see if we can get our larger targets hit. That's 4 times market speed is the speed of the candle. First two targets are out. This may take more than one candle to complete it. 100 ticks is pretty good target. I don't remember this getting taken out on this candle, but it could have. I just don't remember. There we go. Boom. It took a little over 5 minutes to complete that trade did, and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We'll teach you everything we need to know, and you'll get a hold of our special indicators that you can only find at Samurai Day Trading that makes trading very, very simple. So we'll see you then in the LTR. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you.